Hey everybody, it's the Honey Badger. Today we're going to be doing a little exploring or a bit of an adventure in the 720. So I've never taken it really anywhere. I haven't really gone on any kind of exploring or adventures in it. And I want to do that more with this now that it's up and running. So we're going to explore today somewhere I've never been and somewhere I actually just recently found out about and only a few hours away from me. So we're going to go on a few hour adventure, see how it goes, see if it is capable, and we'll just kind of go from there. So let's just see where this takes us and how the day goes. Adventure, an unusual, exciting journey or series of events. Today's goal is to have a sort of adventure. We're not going anywhere that no one's gone before, and this won't be blazing any trails. We want to just break the norm this Saturday and explore something new. This adventure is also a test of multiple things. How will the old 720 handle the journey, and how will I? Again, we're not breaking any records, but I know for a fact, since I started working on the 720, this is the most action it's seen in a very long time. Let's see if it will keep the pace and see us through the day. After all, this experiment is hopefully only the start of larger scale ones in the future. So I've made it to the first location. This is nuts to me. I didn't know anything like this was mildly close to where I lived, at least. Where I'm from, it's very flat, and it's still flat just outside of this, but it's crazy that this B road exists. And like, it's just wild, the walls in here and these trees that are just like barely holding on. So to the edge at least. So it's kind of cool. Got to drive through here a couple times, get some good looks. Luckily, it's not too muddy. We've had a lot of rain actually in this area, and this could be very muddy. So I'm glad, because it's actually got a little bit of a grade to it, and it washes out really bad from what I can tell. So really glad it's not too bad. It's supposed to rain this afternoon, so we won't stick around forever, but we'll drive through here a couple times, get some views, get some photos, get some video, and we'll move on to the next spot, hopefully. So just a second ago, right after I got done filming, some more of this started falling. Most of this was already here, but some more of it was coming down from up above. So this place is actively crumbling a little bit too. And as you can see, I was kind of mentioning the washouts. It washes out pretty bad. I don't know if you can tell the depth. That's about 1.5 feet deep from the road. So if you drove into that, I mean, I would be able to, hopefully with the grade, I could be able to back down that if I got stuck in it, but that's actually pretty rutted. So I'm not sure how well that's showing up on camera, but yeah, definitely don't want to get stuck in any of these ruts. Yeah, these trees are just barely holding on with the roots. It's crazy. Some of them further down even are like really leaning over the edge. There's one way down there that's super hanging, but I don't think any of them are going to fall down here. There's some sticks and stuff down here, but they've been holding on for a long time. I think they'll keep holding on. After driving around these beautiful roads and exploring some others in the area, it was time to make the trek back home for a few hours. There's always more around you to explore than you might expect. You just have to go looking for it. It might not always pan out, and it might not always be the world's most thrilling journey, but the 720 had brought me further than it had before. A good stepping stone for some other adventures that I hope to be taking in the near future. But until next time, thanks for watching.